El Oasis Children's Village is located off the Sea of Cortez in Valle de la Trinidad, Baja, Mexico. Since 1994, the project has been helping orphaned and abandoned children in Mexico. Without private or government funding, El Oasis depends on volunteers and donations from individuals and businesses to provide shelter, food, clothing, education, love, and hope for these children. Currently, there are 38 children in the program, including kindergarten through college-age students. They are fortunate to have good land and water, where they raise chickens and grow peppers for food and income. They had one radio telephone for the entire community. There was no broadband connectivity. While most learning from kindergarten to middle school is taught by staff, high school and the university classes are completely online. One of our core values at Cambium Networks is to give back to the community. Tidal Wave Wireless and others collaborated with Cambium Networks to design and install Wi-Fi access with a fixed wireless infrastructure. The solution included donations of workstations, laptops, and electricity infrastructure. Skilled labor was donated to install the network. Installation was delayed by the COVID pandemic but completed in 2021. The children are connected. Life is immediately improved. Cambium Networks connects people, places, and things with wireless solutions that just work.